What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Aviation 737. Today's July 5th, the day after July 4th. So happy Independence Day. A bit late, but but yeah, happy Independence Day to you Americans. A bit late, but yeah, let's just cut straight to the point of this video. So we're gonna be plane spotting today at a very special location. We have a very interesting day today. We're gonna be going to Gravely Point, just outside of Washington Reagan National Airport. So yeah, we're just gonna go plane spotting there for about an hour and hopefully get some pretty cool shots, and I'm so excited to get started. So apart from that, let's head to the airport. Well, everybody, so what can I say except that we're finally here at Ronald Reagan National Airport, Gravely Point. So yeah, we're just gonna see some planes now. We got a new plane coming in there. All I can say, everybody, is that this is an amazing place, and anytime I come back to DC, I will be coming back here. But we got a lot more cool stuff to come, and I'm so excited. Let's go. Oh, here we go, here we go. Oh, this is gonna be good. Pretty cool view here. Yeah, it's a pretty cool view. Oh, we got a A319 coming in. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and shoot that. It is super fun here, guys. I'm very thankful to be here right now. We got an A319.
No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
737, 800, American Airlines, and then in the back we have a Delta A321, kind of obscured from view, but yeah, pretty cool. And I wonder what's coming in next. Flight Radar 24 is not working for me right now, so everything's a surprise around here. Super excited. So I think that's gonna finish it off today, everybody. We do have one more landing, and I think that's gonna end it for today. Super exciting. So let's get to the final landing. Let's finish it off, everybody. Oh, what a bird. Wow. And we have the legendary Delta A321 over there. So, yeah, everybody, I'm gonna do a voiceover outro because I don't really think it's that appropriate right now for due to me an outro, but without any denial, best spotting experience of my life. Absolutely amazing views. Yeah, this guy came, well, I don't know if you can't really see it, but this guy came in handy quite a lot today. Got some amazing shots on him, and when I do actually manage to transfer them over, there goes horizontal view, but I will definitely be transferring them over. But apart from that, everybody, that is for IRL me. I think I'm gonna sign off, head back to Roanoke, and go back to my CRJs and DRJs for another year or so. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the outro. So once again, everybody, hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe if you are new. Very thankful to be very thankful to go to Reagan today. But apart from that, that ends off the video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you above the clouds. Goodbye.